Is your controller causing eSports FC26 to scroll endlessly through menus on PC? It's a known bug, and we have got quick, effective fixes to help you regain control and get back to the game. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. If your FC26 menus are stuck in a loop thanks to a controller glitch, don't worry, we have rounded up the best solutions to stop the scroll and restore normal gameplay. Method 1. Add the game to Steam. First open Steam and click on the library option. If the game is not purchased from Steam, then you can add the game by clicking on the Add a Game option. Select Add a non-Steam game. Now check FC26 and click on Add Selected Programs. The game should appear in the Steam library. Now, select the Steam option and click on Settings. Click on Controller and select the General Controller Settings option. If you have your controller connected, then it would appear in the Controller Detected section. Check the controller you are using from the options and configure the controller from the detected section. Click on the controller and select Identify. Once the controller is identified, close Steam and run FC26 from Steam. Method 2. Tweak settings. If the issue persists, then you can open the game installation folder and change some settings as shown. If you have purchased the game on Steam, then right-click on the game from Steam library. Click on Manage and select Browse Local Files. Go to this PC, click on C drive. Then go to Users folder. Next, open your user profile. Here, you should find the App Data folder. If you cannot find it, then click on the Review tab. Select Show, then check the Hidden Items option. Then select App Data, then Local. Now open the eSports FC26 folder. Here, navigate to the Save Game folder and the config file. Open the config file with Notepad. If you have purchased the game from elsewhere, then open folder where you have installed it. After you have opened the folder, look for the FC26 config file and right-click on it. Open the file with Notepad. Now add the auto_launch equals 1 and save the file. We have given the command in the description so you can simply copy-paste it. Remember to save the file and then close it and run the game. Method 3. Check the connections. For wired controllers, make sure it's securely plugged in. If the issue persists, try switching to a different USB port. Sometimes that alone can resolve the problem. For wireless controllers, confirm that the controller is properly paired with your PC. Repairing it can help re-establish a stable connection. Restarting the game or your PC can clear up minor glitches and restore controller functionality. So, you can try that. Method 4. Update the controller drivers. Sometimes outdated controller drivers can lead to functionality problems. Visit the manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers. You can also manually update the device drivers. On your Windows PC, open the device manager from the Start menu. Locate your controller here. Right-click and choose Update Driver. Also, disconnect any other controller and ensure no unknown devices are present. Method 5. Check the battery of the controller. Make sure your controller battery is charged. If the battery in your controller is almost dead, the controller will not work. To check your controller battery life, hold the PS button to bring up the quick menu on the left side of the screen. You will see a controller icon with battery life displayed at the bottom. Plug your controller into your PS or a wall outlet and visit the quick menu again to make sure you see the battery charging animation. After your controller charges for some time, try using it as normal. Method 6. Move the controller closer to the system. Make sure the controller is not far away from the system on which you are playing FC26. The typical range for Bluetooth is around 30 feet. This depends upon your setup. You may be able to use your controller further than this or be restricted to using it closer. So, you should try to minimize interference between your controller and console. Remove any metal objects between the two, like shelving or laptops, that could inhibit the signal. You should always take your PC out of enclosed spaces if applicable, for better signal transmission and reception. Method 7. Reset the controller. If you are using a Bluetooth controller, then you can try out some troubleshooting steps. You can reset the controller, turn off and unplug your PlayStation console if you are using one. Disconnect the wireless controller from the official USB cable. On the back of your controller, you will find a tiny hole. The reset button is inside this hole. Use a small unfolded paperclip or something similar to press and hold the reset button for at least 5 seconds. Your controller should now have been reset. Connect your controller to the PS console using the official USB cable. Connect to a USB port on the front or rear of the PS console. Press the PS button to pair your controller with the PS console. And that's how you fix the controller's scroll bug in EA Sports FC26 on PC. We hope one of these methods helped you take back control literally. If this guide made your game smoother, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and gaming fixes. Drop a comment below to share which solution worked for you. It could help someone else beat the bug. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.